Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel for another Confessions of a Paper Addict Cutfiles design team layout. I have the popcorn cut file from May, just last month. I have backed it with this popcorn patterned paper from this lovely Echo Park collection. I got it from, or no, not Echo Park, Simple Stories collection. Family Fun. I got this from the scrap room last year when I had gotten a few kits. Love this collection, super fun. I've used it a couple times already and I still have plans for at least one more layout with it. But I have backed, yes, the popcorn with the popcorn, and then I was gonna do the bag with the stripes going the other way, but they didn't line up quite right. But I do like it. It looks kind of busy, but I like the stripes and the red and white. And I've got some photos of my son and I at Moana, when we went to Moana for one of his first movies. I don't think it's his first because I don't think my husband would have been very happy if I took him to his first movie and he didn't get to. So I'm pretty sure it wasn't his absolute first, but one of the first. Oh, I think Cars was his first movie ever. So I'm going to matte my photos in white. I have gutted the cut apart paper, which is this plaid, and I've trimmed down one of the pieces of red cardstock you got in the kit. This is part of a double shot kit. So I have gutted that, and we're gonna matte these in white. I've just got a nice selfie of him and I, and then a couple photos of him eating popcorn because that's his favorite. Just a little mommy and son date day. We did this in March, the year he turned 4, so he was still 3 yet when he went to see this. He's always been kind of a movie lover, like, always been kind of, or was Dory his first one? Dory might have been his first one. But we went to Moana after it had been released already for a while. So there was a theater that had it for a little bit cheaper. So we went to see it there. And so I have an idea of what I want to do. So I'm going to finish matting these. I'm going to get this red glued down on this gutted. I'm going to trim this star paper down to be more of a square. And then I'll start arranging things and I'll bring you back. All right, I have got those background pieces kind of matted down. You barely see the star one after I'm done, but I'm really liking the way this is looking with all these pieces kind of layered on top of each other. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna pop my popcorn up on foam. That's what we're gonna do. These to tuck under the edge of the tag. Well, that would have been a good tag too. I could do that instead, a little less color, and then I could just journal on that. How would we do that? That way it's not so jumbled. This, I'll do that instead, and then I can just journal on that, and then we don't have all that extra stuff. I feel like that'll let you see a little bit more of that star paper too. Perfect, okay. Let me get the rest of this glued down, and then we'll come back and put the enamel dots and the title on and the date and do some journaling, and we'll be set to go. All right, we got all that glued down. We're gonna put the date up here. There's no N.
Go, go, go. We have 57 seconds left.
Okay, there, I got Moana put down, and then let's do some enamel dots, shall we?
Oh.
He's finally accomplishing something he's been trying to do for a long time.
Mom.
What?
Maybe you have to get both of the gold things, like
maybe
this one that we're gonna complete and the other one.
Maybe you get one thing for the king for one, and then another thing for the other.
Yeah, like maybe
we'll
I'll
find
get
out.
its robe, and then probably I'll get its pants and
yep.
stuff.
All right, guys, there you have it. Using the popcorn cut file, make sure you go check out the shop. I'll have the shop link down below, as well as the Facebook group. There's an amazing challenge going on this month. There has been for the last couple months. I don't know if we'll be continuing those throughout, but I know that they're done right now. This is my cut file layout for you guys this day, and we'll see you next time.